Velo Facades is a complete cladding system engineered for fast, accurate installation without compromising on quality or durability. Designed for real-world conditions, it installs fast, looks sharp, and performs over the long term. A wide range of 3D cladding profile shapes provides flexibility in design without adding complexity on site. In this video, we'll show you how to install each layer of the system, including the weather-resistive membrane, insulation, and cladding with practical tips to help avoid common delays and ensure a high-quality finish first time. In this video, you'll learn the process for installing the Velo cladding system. First, mark the top and bottom cladding heights. This sets the rigid air barrier position. Then check the substrate is straight. The mounting tracks run at 90 degrees to the cladding boards. Maximum stud spacing is 600 millimeters. Apply a continuous bead of sealant to the slab edge. Install base flashing with at least a 50 millimeter overlap below the slab. Secure with sealant and fasteners. Install rigid air barrier directly to the stud frame in a brick-like pattern, maintaining a 50 millimeter gap above the base flashing. Create a sealant joint of around 2 millimeters between boards. Apply the weather membrane over the rigid air barrier, ensuring it's adhered to the base flashing with a 10 millimeter gap to the bottom edge. Use a spatula to press and smooth the membrane for continuous adhesion to the rigid air barrier. Seal window frame to the membrane. Cut out window openings. Install sill tape and any other membrane accessories. Then fit the window and door frames into place. Apply sealant or caulk the sides and head to tie the frame to the membrane. Keep the sill open for drainage and ventilation. Install window flashings, ensuring they overlap the wall by at least 100 millimeters. Secure the top edge and cover fasteners with sealing tape. Plan and mark your bracket locations. Ensure vertical alignment and spacing according to the technical datasheet. Crucially, every screw penetration must be sealed. First, apply a Nidec patch at each mounting point. For steel-framed structures, install the thermal brake strip over the top of the Nidec patch. For timber studs, thermal brakes are generally not required. Mount offset brackets at predetermined locations, fastening through the Nidec patches. Where trims are required, affix mounting plates to the brackets using one fastener. Cut and fix corner trim. Miter cut the Velo end trim lengths. Fix to the inner faces of the trims in each corner. Then fasten with the 8 by 13 millimeter fasteners provided to reinforce the corner joint. Cut the Velo external corner trim length. Fasten to mounting track. Use miter brackets at corners to ensure rigid, aligned joints. Adjust each bracket to ensure an even mounting plane before proceeding. To adjust brackets, use a spanner to loosen and move the front of the bracket to the correct depth. Then retighten the screw to lock into place. Ensure all brackets are tightened prior to proceeding. Install external insulation in a brick-like pattern. Cut C-shaped openings for brackets. The best way to do this is to press the insulation panel against the brackets first. The bracket tabs will leave an impression, showing you exactly where to cut. And secure with one central stainless steel washer and 2 plastic washers per panel. It is critical that these fasteners align with the studs. Measure and cut tracks to fit between trims. The 25 millimeter tracks come pre-fitted with clips. Use track joiners to maintain a 3 millimeter expansion gap between sections. Measure between trim lips and add 5 mm for cladding length. Install any difficult boards first, such as those cut around windows. This leaves you with more space to maneuver them into the trims. Where the fit is tight, take out the standard clips, slide the board in, and snap in each side with board lock clips. Install boards by pushing up into the top trim. Pressing firmly onto each clip until you hear the click, then sliding down to rest on the base trim. If you need to cut a board lengthwise, you must fit board support springs into the end trim every 600 mm. These will support the cut edge of the board once it's installed. To remove a cladding board, lift it out of the base trim. Then position the Velo cladding removal tool at track height and lever at each clip point until it pops free. Your Velo Facades system is now complete, providing superior weather protection and thermal performance with a stunning architectural finish. If you have any questions that we didn't cover in this video, feel free to call us or visit our website.